Signage at your shop is one of the most effective things. People drive by your shop every single day on the way to and from work. It's really important that the sign is professional. When you take a look at the cost per 1,000 impressions, one of the best things that you could do is signage. However, I've seen a lot of really poor signage. I've taken recent pictures of some of the signage that just blows me away. I need to know that you are an automotive repair shop. And a lot of times you just see a name and you think, what do they do at that business? One of my favorite signs was a company in California called Motor Motion. Beautiful facility, but what's a Motor Motion? And I said, Greg, let's stand across the street. I'm in this office building, he's surrounded in a light industrial area. We look at your sign, it says Motor Motion. There's nothing that says that you work on cars. I have no idea what they do. I went around to people in that area. I said, what do you think that business across the street does? Well, they sell motors, I guess. A motor that's in motion, what does that say? So the sign needs to be professional, but it needs to be very clear that you are a repair shop, that you work on cars, and make sure that the phone number is there. So go by your shop at night, maybe take pictures of it, and take a look. Sometimes you don't see something because you see it every single day, but it's when you take a photo. When I go into a shop, I take lots of photos, and people will look at the photos and go, I had no idea that it looked that bad. So take pictures, make sure your signage is very clear, very professional, no burned out letters like we just saw, so when people drive by, because they're driving by quickly, they know, wow, that's a repair shop, got a professional sign.